Hello folks, we're moving back onto this President Grant which we started about 5 weeks ago, except this is my set, this is my brand new demonstration set that I've opened up to do part of this video. So we're on, hopefully on UK channel 20, which we are, FM, and we will go into, have we got picture in picture on? No. We have now. So when I key up, what's it doing? About 3 watts. Right, so let's go to the lower scale. Key up is doing just more than 3 watts. Okay. The reason I'm doing this is because the customer's set, if you remember, it's been on a bad aerial, and we suspect, that's royal we, the pre-driver transistor, which is this one, 207. So output transistor, driver transistor, I think this is the way around without looking at the manual. Pre-driver transistor, pre-driver transistor, it's probably something like that. And what we'd got on the customer's set is if I poked around here it would transmit and it wouldn't otherwise. So it's as you can see, it's a surface mount set. We haven't got the right service manual. The customer actually sent me a near model, and it's the model kind of above this, and it's slightly different. So there's only one thing we're going to do. I mean, I took out the other transistors, we tested them, they were all working, so I can't take out a surface mount transistor without replacing it. So what I did was to order some. These have come from Taiwan, which is the replacement driver transistor. So these have taken some time to come. But what I'm going to do, instead of just plonking one of these in the customer set, here we go, there's 10. SC 4226 is what it says in the manual. So I don't know where I put the manual, but there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove, in my working new demonstration set, we're going to remove my pre-driver transistor. We're going to replace it with one of these to make sure that these actually do what they say they do, and that I haven't got fake devices, because I think you can see where I'm going. Imagine if I put one of these in the customer's set and it still doesn't work. I then think, oh, is it something else? When I might have one of these that's faulty. So we need to make sure that that is a working, genuine transistor, and that's why we're keying it up. It's just doing more than 3 watts as an unmolested, untouched new set, which is our demonstration one of these. Now I can't unsolder that here because I need to use a hot gas surface mount device machine, and that's in the other workshop which Mr. Chippy uses, where there's no cameras. And although I could set up a camcorder, it's a different format which would be a faff with the editing. The point is, let's zoom in and then you can at least see what a mess I make of my set. And it's the only thing we're going to do to this customer's radio. If this works in my set, and I then put one of these in the customer set and it doesn't work, the set it doesn't work, the customer will get the set back non-repaired, because I can't go any further into it without a more accurate service manual. I say it's a slightly different model and there are differences. You can get by on some of it, but there you go. That's the wrong zoom. I did say camera 1. Right, where are we? There. Right, that's what we're looking at. So we've got the 2SC2086 as a pre-driver, And then we've got the kind of pre driver, which is this, and that's what we're changing. Right, so I've got to find my tweezers, and we're going to shield with baking foil other areas and use the hot gas gun on it. So I'll get this disconnected, and when I come back, whatever that says on it, can we see what it says on it? We'll probably say something else. I'll stand up and look at the monitor. I can't even see it this zoom. Looks like 8 wide, doesn't it? And also, when I remove this, in case these are fake, I've got to try and... I'll just take that back to normal. If these do turn out to be fake, I really need to be able to put my original one back to restore operation of my own set. So there you are, that's how my confidence is. And I might be totally unfounded. That's my confidence in buying parts from foreign sources I've never used. Okay, so I'm back. What we do, I cover it in baking foil with a hole. It's a bit like a doctor, a surgeon taking part of your innards out. I'll leave the mask on the next set because it works. So let's show you the power meter. Of course, I pressed the wrong button. It's bigger than it should be, but you can see the power meter. Well, that was transmission audio. Let's go back to where are we? Camera bank bank 2 preset 1, and then move it a bit because the mice have obviously been playing. So we've still got more than 3 watts. And if I switch my walkie-talkie on 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3. So the radio's still working, it's still transmitting. So that was the thing I wanted to check. So if you saw the last video, you'd see why I'd come to the conclusion of that particular transistor. So now what I'm going to do, having done it to my own set and taken my part out, restored it with an operation with one of the parts I've bought in. Let's zoom in on that. Oops, again I've gone up to the wrong camera, haven't I? So where are we? It's that one. Obviously the one with the soldering. So I'll just get up and look at what... I'm just seeing what number it actually says on the device. 75 or something. Anyway, there you go. So now we'll do the same thing to the customer set, and it either works or it doesn't. Obviously I can clean the flux off that as well. So this is the customer's set. So we'll just make sure it still doesn't transmit. It hasn't miraculously amended itself. And it isn't transmitting, as you can see. So it's got 2 chances. We change the transistor and it works, or it doesn't work. Right, so that's where it ends. We're not going further into this because I don't have the correct service manual. I've got a nearby one, and I just don't want to get involved in this kind of thing, which has been on a bad area. It's probably a cracked capacitor somewhere. I've had this under the microscope. I can't see anything. So there we go. So you win some, you lose some, and we have a no cure, no fee, so it goes back at my expense. There we go. So that's not fixing the President's Grant 2, and we'll move on to a set we can fix.